Welcome to Talk Learner. Get ready to test your English skills and learn something new today. Let's find out your English level based on your score. Are you ready? Cool. Good. Let's start the test.
Lucas enjoys basketball after school. A. Play. B. Playing. C. To play. Chloe decided to Miami for her internship. A. Going. B. Go. C. To go. Mateo suggested dinner at the new restaurant in Denver. A. Having. B. Have. C. To have. Chloe avoided her mistakes during the presentation. A. Mention. B. Mentioning. C. To mention. Lucas refused the meeting without his manager. A. Attending. B. Attend. C. To attend. Mateo kept about his trip to Portland. A. Talk. B. Talking. C. To talk. Chloe agreed her project with the class. A. Share. B. Sharing. C. To share. Lucas admitted late to the seminar. A. Being. B. Be. C. To be. Mateo wants more time with his family. A. Spending. B. Spend. C. To spend. Chloe enjoys novels in her free time. A. Read. B. Reading. C. To reading. Lucas ran his old coach at the bookstore in Denver. A. Into. B. Out. C. Over. Chloe looked the problem carefully before answering. A. Up. B. Into. C. Over. Mateo turned the offer because it was too low. A. Up. B. Down. C. Off. The meeting was called due to the storm in Miami. A. Off. B. Back. C. Out. Chloe handed her homework on time. A. Up. B. In. C. On. Lucas picked a new hobby during quarantine. A. Up. B. On. C. Out. Mateo got with his coworkers right away. A. Along. B. away. C, across. Chloe looked her younger brother while their parents were away. A, for. B, after. C, on. Lucas brought an important point in the discussion. A, up. B, out. C, on. Mateo came an old photo album in Portland. A, across. B, out. C, over. The conference will be held Denver next month. A, in. B, on. C, at. Chloe is allergic peanuts. A, to. B, for. C, of. Lucas is responsible organizing the event. A, for. B, to. C, of. Mateo apologized being late. A, on. B, for. C, with. Chloe is married an architect from Miami. A, with. B, at. C, to. Lucas is good playing chess. A, at. B, in. C, for. Mateo is interested in modern art. A, on. B, at. C, in. Chloe congratulated Lucas his promotion. A, on. B, for. C, about. Lucas insisted paying the bill himself. A, at. B, in. C, on. Mateo is afraid flying. A, for. B, with. C, of. Chloe bought apples, oranges, bananas at the Miami market. A, and. B, or. C, but. Mateo's essay was excellent, his conclusion was weak. A, however. B, consequently. C, furthermore. Lucas worked late, he completed the project on time. A, however. B, therefore. C, similarly. Chloe loves hiking in Portland, Lucas enjoys biking. A, furthermore. B, consequently. C, however. Mateo forgot his ID, he couldn't enter the building. A. Consequently. B. However. C. Similarly. Lucas enjoys football, Chloe prefers basketball. A. Consequently. B. Similarly. C. Furthermore. Mateo studies hard, he helps his sister with homework. A. Furthermore. B. However. C. Consequently. Lucas was late to class, the teacher marked him absent. A. Consequently. B. Similarly. C. However. Chloe loves classical music, Lucas enjoys jazz. A. Consequently. B. However. C. Similarly. Mateo practices daily, he improved his piano skills. A. Consequently. B. However. C. Similarly. Chloe speaks clearly during her presentations. A. Very. B. More. C. Much. Lucas placed the book on the desk. A. Neatly. B. Neat. C. Neater. Mateo is a talented young musician. A. Much. B. Too. C. Very. Chloe finished her assignment faster than expected. A. More. B. Much. C. Very. Lucas drives carefully when it rains in Denver. A. Very. B. More. C. Most. Each student must bring own notebook. A. His or her. B. Their. C. They. Neither Chloe nor her friends going to Miami this week. A. Was. B. Is. C. Are. Everyone in the room prepared for the quiz. A. Is. B. Are. C. Were. Somebody left jacket on the chair. A. His or her. B. Their. C. They. Anybody can share opinion during the meeting. A. His or her. B. They. C. Them.
Share it with your friends, and ask them to participate in this test. Comment your achieved scores and subscribe for more. Bye-bye.